A Jackson County man accused of killing his neighbor will soon be heading home for home detention. That's the decision from today's Ania's law hearing for Daniel Lambert. Wake 31 reporter Jim Abbott was in the courtroom and joins us now live with details. Jim.
On account, Lambert, his attorneys and the district attorney agreed to a $200,000 bond and that home detention, so he won't be able to leave his property at all. He also can't have any firearms at home. Lambert is accused of shooting and killing his neighbor, Adam Cooner. The two have a history of disputes over land. Now, part of that order today is that Lambert not have any contact with the Cooner family. Lambert had a no-contact order towards Cooner dating back 2 years after an incident in which, according to court documents, said that he would shoot him up. Now, we talked with local attorney Nick Law, who says that he sees property disputes between neighbors all the time. And when it comes to no-contact orders, they're all different based on the facts of each case. He says it often comes down to, has there been any action after a threat? And if you're in a situation like that, his advice?
If you're consulting with an attorney about, a dispute that you have with somebody and you're in fear for your safety or your family's safety, you need to share that with that attorney because you don't want to give that attorney half the facts or one side of the story or whatever it may be. You want to give them everything so they can properly advise you.
Now, if someone violates a no-contact order, he says, again, it depends on the facts and who takes action then. Could be law enforcement, could be the courts. But one thing is very clear.
The judge issues an order, you need to follow that order to the T. You don't need to follow half the order. You don't need to play hokey pokey and put one foot in and one foot out. It's an all or nothing kind of thing. If the judge says there's no contact, then there's no contact. And they mean no contact.
Back to Lambert now. He will not be free when he leaves jail. He will go to that home detention and cannot leave his property. The judge has tentatively set a preliminary hearing for his murder case for next Wednesday. Live in the studio with coverage you can count on, Jim Abbott, Wake 31 News.